Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Poloniex, a cryptocurrency exchange found at https://polo-nix.com. This platform allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets. Navigating the exchange can be a bit daunting for newcomers, so let's break down some key features and functionalities. Poloniex provides a marketplace where various cryptocurrencies are paired against each other, enabling traders to exchange one digital asset for another. This is achieved through a system of order books, which display the current buy and sell orders for each trading pair. Understanding these order books is crucial for successful trading on Poloniex. They provide valuable insights into market depth and price movements. While the interface can appear complex initially, with practice, it becomes more intuitive. Poloniex offers a range of tools and charts designed to aid traders in making informed decisions. These tools often include technical indicators and historical price data, which can be invaluable for analyzing market trends and identifying potential trading opportunities. Keep in mind that trading cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the market dynamics before making any investment decisions. Poloniex is just one of many available cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's important to compare and contrast different platforms to find the one that best suits your individual needs and trading style. Factors to consider include trading fees, security measures, available cryptocurrencies, and user interface. While Poloniex has a long history in the crypto space, it's always recommended to exercise caution and start with smaller amounts when venturing into cryptocurrency trading. Remember to manage your risk effectively and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Exploring the various features and functionalities of Poloniex can take time, so don't be discouraged if you don't grasp everything immediately. Utilizing the resources available, such as tutorials and FAQs, can greatly enhance your understanding of the platform and improve your trading experience. As always, remember that this is not financial advice, and you should consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.